Hi guys, today we're going to be making tie-dye butterfly. This is what you need to make this project. Paper plate, a piece of paper, some markers, a water bottle with water in it, and some coffee filters, and pipe cleaners. So first you need is a piece of paper, then you take a coffee filter and spread it out. Then you can take some markers. Make sure they're not washables because when you spray it with the spray bottle right here, it might come off. So first you can do is color with the coffee filter, and you can be creative. You can do whatever you want. I am gonna do a bunch of different colors on the sides. And my favorite colors are pink and blue. But I think I'm going to use blue. And I'm going to use, for the next color, is I'm going to use some red. And for the next color, I'm going to use some yellow. And for my next color, I'm going to use some purple. So when you do it, you're going to fill the whole thing of colors. It can be whatever color you want. So this whole coffee filter right here is going to be filled with colors. And my next color I'm going to use is pink. We didn't use pink yet, so this is my first favorite color. I like pink. And then for my next color, I'm going to use yellow again. And for my next color, I'm going to use some orange. I didn't use orange yet. And you also can turn the coffee filter around the color. And I think it's easier if you turn it around sometimes. So you can use whatever way you want to hang it. You can hang it on walls, you can hang it on doors, whatever you want. My next color is green. And my next color is orange. And look at this, so you won't lose your cap, you can put it on the top of your marker if you want. So if you do designs, and then with the water bottle, it might blend in, so it might blend in, like let's say where the pink might blend in with the yellow, that's okay. It'll even be extra pretty. And then you fill in the spots with whatever color you want. Orange. And Also, what you can do is you can do this. Make sure you have a paper underneath because it goes through onto the table. This is what it's gonna look like on the table. So just a reminder, if you're using a colorful paper, the color will show through, but it's not actually going to be show through when you take it off. Just a reminder. And also when you do these, they're kind of like a spring project. It'll kind of look like a spring project because mostly butterflies are in spring. And I love butterflies. It's my favorite bug. I like it. I'm just filling up the spots. Does it look pretty so far? So first you're gonna take the coffee filter and on the paper plate, paper on the paper plate. Bottle filled with water. And first you're just gonna mist it, not to spray it. So in each color you can just spray it once. And also if there's some white spots, you can spray that to get it so the color can blend. So this is what it looks like when you're done spraying it. And then now we're gonna let it dry. This is how it looks when it's done. So when we do is we fold it forwards, then fold it backwards. So you have to kind of flip it. Make sure the spots are not too big, because unless you're gonna have to start over again. So you have to keep flipping back and forth like this. And also it doesn't matter what way, so they're on both sides. And then the next step is you could take a pipe cleaner. I want to do pink. So what you do is you fold the pipe cleaner in half. Then you put the pipe cleaner on and then fold it at half again. And then what you do is put it on, then you can level it if you want. I've already done leveling it, so. But what we're gonna do is we're gonna fold it like this. Then you're gonna twist the bottom part of the butterfly until it's like that, and then on the top you're gonna twist it at least 2 or 3 times. And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna open this part, and then this is optional, you don't have to do it. Then you bend this part like that, and then you open up the flaps like this, and then if you want, you can bend it so it looks more like a butterfly. And then there's our butterfly. Does it look beautiful? So the antenna is the pipe cleaners, and then the wings is the coffee filters, and the bottom is still the pipe cleaners, like the antenna. We're going to show you how to make it again, just so you can understand. So what you're going to do is you're going to fold it back and forward, back and forward, back and forward, back and forth. And then what you're going to do is you're going to take a pipe cleaner. Then what you're going to do is you're going to fold it in half and then put it on the butterfly like this. And then what you're going to do is you're going to twist the bottom part of the butterfly. And then you're going to twist the top part of the butterfly. And then what you're gonna do is you're gonna fold the little tops like that. And then you're going to fold it inside that. There you have it. There's your butterfly. Thanks for watching Kylie from Village Toy. Don't forget to subscribe and give us a big thumbs up. Bye guys!